Hello my YouTube friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Best. Today I will show you very beautiful crochet bag. This granny square bags is so beautiful and made a crochet work. Crochet work is a so amazing work, it's a very old work and today is very demanding work. This bag's is style is very beautiful, and this bag's styles is granny square styles. You can make easily and you can use easily and anywhere, anytime. This bag is very easy using and washable. This is so beautiful and so easy to make. I hope you like this video. I give you a very amazing ideas to my videos and my channel. You watch my videos and so many ideas in your work and your business purpose. Friends, I give you a very unique and beautiful ideas. I hope you like my videos and like my ideas. Please give me the comments in comment box. What do you like to see next video? I try my best to give you a very good videos for you. Your opinion and your messages, your comments is very important for me. Thank you friends. Please give me the support, and I try my best to give you a very beautiful and unique videos. I give you very beautiful and very beautiful ideas for your work. This granny square bags is make very easy. You can make easily at home. This is so beautiful work. Crochet is a very beautiful work. You can decor your home with crochet work. This work is so beautiful work. Look, it's very beautiful bags and so much colorful bags. These bags make wool thread, cotton threads and silk thread. You can make these bags. This bags is washable and easy to use. You can use anywhere. Crochet work is a very easy and beautiful work. You can make bed sheets, cushion cover, bags, mat, table cover and dining table cover. You can use your kitchen purpose, kitchen wall hang bags and more much. This work is so beautiful. You can make a wonderful things. You can make your kids twice this work. So much beautiful. I love this work and I hope you love this work and you like this video. Friends, if you like this video, please give me the comments and give me the support. Like my video and share my video, and take care. Bye.